If you're looking to create personalized email campaigns with Apollo.io, you're in the right place. In this quick Apollo.io guide, we'll walk you through how to set up and launch email campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive results. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this powerful tool to boost your outreach efforts. But first, before we dive in, did you know you can use Apollo.io completely free from the first link below? We've also got some exclusive bonuses for you, so make sure to grab that offer. Stick around until the end to find out how you can get access to an extended free trial. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Apollo.io account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's easy to set one up. You'll find the option to sign up directly on their homepage. Now, once you're logged in, head to the Campaigns tab. This is where all your email outreach magic happens. To create a personalized campaign, click the Create Campaign button. Here, you'll be prompted to name your campaign and choose the type of outreach you want to do, whether it's a cold email campaign or a follow-up sequence. Next, Apollo.io offers a great feature that allows you to segment your contacts. If you already have a list, you can import your contacts directly into the platform. If not, you can use Apollo's rich database to search and filter for contacts based on criteria like job title, industry, company size, and more. This segmentation is key because personalized emails perform much better than generic blasts. Now the fun part, crafting your email. In Apollo.io, you can create multiple email templates for your campaign. Personalization is key, so make sure you're addressing your recipient's pain points or offering something relevant. Apollo.io lets you dynamically insert variables like first name, company name, or job title to really make the email feel like it was crafted just for them. Here's a pro tip. Apollo.io also integrates with other CRM tools, so if you have customer data stored elsewhere, you can bring that over for even more targeted outreach. The better the data, the better your campaign results will be. Once your email is set up, you can schedule your campaign. Apollo.io gives you the flexibility to choose the exact date and time for when your emails will be sent. This is great for ensuring your emails land in inboxes at the right moment, maximizing open rates. Don't forget to A/B test your emails. Apollo.io allows you to test different subject lines, email copy, and even CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. It's all about finding what works and refining your approach as you go. When your emails are sent, Apollo.io will track their performance in real time. You'll see open rates, click rates, and reply rates right on your dashboard. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns. If you're not getting the results you expected, try tweaking your subject lines or email content to improve engagement. And here's where it gets exciting. If you want to automate follow-ups, Apollo.io allows you to create automated workflows. After someone opens your email but doesn't reply, you can set up a sequence of follow-ups to nudge them into action. These can be spaced out over days or weeks, making sure you're staying top of mind without overdoing it. As you continue using Apollo.io for your email campaigns, you'll appreciate how easy it is to monitor progress and make data-driven decisions to increase conversions. The software is built for marketers who want to save time while still delivering highly personalized, impactful email outreach. To recap, with Apollo.io, you can easily segment your audience, create personalized email templates, automate follow-ups, and track your campaign performance. It's a robust tool for digital marketers and sales teams alike. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Apollo.io for free by clicking the link below. You'll also gain access to some exclusive bonuses, plus an extended free trial. So don't wait. Start creating personalized email campaigns today. That's it for this quick Apollo.io guide. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below to unlock your free trial and exclusive bonuses.